and welcome back again to the next part of the Wicked Wench build. Well, it's kind of done now, the part. The first mast is pretty much complete, almost. Whoops. Did the lanyards, shrouds, all the way up, and the stays to the bowsprit. They have blocks here. I made the blocks and I tied off the ends of the these threads here on this side. I haven't tied this one up yet because I still need to put this stay on the main mast. But before I do that, I need to get these stays from the top of the main mast and down here to the to these two blocks here, or the two deadeyes here, and then that will give it a little bit more it become a little bit more rigid. You see it's not very rigid at the moment, so once those gets on, it becomes more rigid, and I can put this on and everything will be nice and tight. This is pretty much it for the first rigging video. I'm gonna show you how I do the deadeyes on the main mast, and I'm gonna show you how I do the ratlines also on the main mast. You've seen me do the like this part here where I go over with the thread and make a loop, and then go around the mast. You've already seen that, and that's pretty much basically how I do my rigging. When it comes to stuff like tying on blocks on oops, sorry, I made the first yard here. When it comes to tying on blocks on the yards or on the mast, I just simply go around with the thread and maybe 2 times around, and then tie a knot and a drop of glue, and that's it basically. But you can do it however you want to do it. I'm just doing it the way that I'm doing it. If you can learn from it, that's fine. If you think it's crap, then that's fine too. Anyways, I'm gonna continue with the lanyards on the main mast. I take one on each side, so I make sure that the pressure on the mast is the same. So I'm not gonna do a whole row and then do the other row. I'm kind of shifting from side to side, so I make sure that the mast is nice and straight. What else? I still need to tie on blocks on the front stays here, and also on some of the other stays here. So definitely not done yet, obviously. But yeah, we're getting there. The sails are done. Just need to make them more uniformed. But not all of the sails are going to be shown, some are going to be furled. So anyways, thank you for this time, and I will see you again in the next one. Cheers, bye bye.